Every year you try to improve your health. You want to work out more, you want to eat better, but your motivation crashes, your plan disappears, and you feel you fall apart. Not this time, because in this video, I show you the simplest way to stay motivated, feel confident, and actually reach your goals. That 2026 becomes your best year ever. I'm Dante Passe, and we help busy people to feel better, look younger without interrupting their lifestyle. And you might be thinking, oh no, not another motivational speech. I don't want to do that. I don't want just to motivate you. I want to give you a hands-on tool that I have been using, my wife have been using, and so many friends, and it has changed our lives. And you will be surprised how easy it is. In my early 20s, I was super lazy. I was watching a lot of TV, I was playing a lot of games, I was eating unhealthy, and I didn't reach any goals. I couldn't get things done through the day. And I started listening to different motivational speakers, and I was listening to Brent Burchard, and he said, based on the calendar and planner of someone, he can tell how successful she is. He got me. Because I didn't have a planner or even a calendar. The next day, I went right to Hobby Lobby to get myself a planner. And I paid $30 for my planner. Normally, I don't pay so much money just for a planner. But I was thinking, maybe when it costs so much, it keeps myself accountable and I use it more often. And that was changing my life. Because since then, I started to reach my goals and I felt so much more confident. Since then, every year we are buying ourselves a planner. And I have in my hands the Fox planner, which became my favorite planner. And I will show you in this video how we plan our days, our weeks, our month, and our year to reach our goals, to stay more healthy, and to work out more. So let's get started. Let's talk about how I use my planner. And here I have my Fox planner, and I haven't unpacked it yet. So here you have like a small description, how it works. I put this one besides. And now I get my new calendar out. It's actually a premium edition. They also have like a normal edition. It's dated weekly planner. So basically means they have the dates here at the top. Because they also have undated, and you have to put the dates in for yourself, which is very, very helpful. For example, when the year already started and you still want to get your own planner, then I would get the undated version. But when you start 2026, then you can use the dated one. You don't have to do so much work to put on all the dates. So, and every end of the year, I start filling out these kind of areas. So basically, what is the vision for the life I want? What is the mission? And I really take time to write everything down, what I really want, what is my mission, what are my dreams, what I'm grateful for, my affirmations, which skills do I want to learn. So I take time to fill it out. My vision board, I get very creative with it because you also have like a lot of stickers which you can use to create your vision board. And also my goals, what are my health fitness goals, my business career goals, family friends, relationship romance goals. And I always pick 3 big goals I will fill out here. And for you, for example, it could be health and fitness goals. I want to run a half marathon, or I want to run 10 miles or something like that. I want to do a certain competition, finance, I want to save more money, and I want to have at the end of the year a certain amount of money in my bank, or I want to pay all my debts. Whatever it is, just fill it out. Super powerful. Then you have a mind map, and here you have the monthly planner. And now we get to the weekly planner. And this is, to me, the most exciting part, because here is really the beauty. So basically here on the left side, you can plan your days, the the things you have to do each day. But to me personally, the best thing, what I love, is actually here on the right side. So let's start with the week's main goal. So I always say, when I reach my goals at the end of the week, I treat myself a certain way. For example, I love going to the theater. If I reach a certain goal, I go to the theater. And I make it specific. When I reach this and this, for example, when I walk out 3 times a week, I can treat myself. I go to a wellness retreat. I buy something what I love, what I wanted to get for a while. Or like I said, going to the theater. Whatever it is, write it down. Then you can put in your priorities. To me, I always like to do certain ways how I want to show up the whole day. For example, I like to set intentions. That means every morning I want to set intentions. That means when I drive in the car to work, I always say to myself, okay, how do I want to show up today? That is, for example, I want to be more confident. I want to help the customer. I want to be more friendly. Whatever it is, that is, for example, what I put here as a priority. Or I want to pray every morning. I want to be more grateful. So these are the priorities you can put in here. Then you have some free space, your personal to-do list, what you want to accomplish that week, and then here the habits and skills. And that's where the beauty starts, because I will show you how I fill it out to reach my goals. Really often I use, for example, give you a simple example, 3 hours audiobook. I want to make sure that I learn and grow. So every week I do 3-hour audiobooks, and when I listen, for example, on a Tuesday for 1 hour, I put it in 1 hour. When I listen to a Thursday and a Friday, I also put it in 1 hour, and when I got it, I just strike it through. This is one example. Or what you can also do is 3 times working out, which is awesome. Then you can see when do you want to work out. Maybe you can already plan when you want to work out. For example, you circle the Wednesday, you circle the Friday, and you circle the Sunday. And here's a very, very important part. Make this a priority. So plan your day ahead on a Wednesday. When you know, okay, when do you work out? Where do you work out? You can use our 10-minute views, for example, where you say, okay, I do 1 10-minute workout. Or I go to the gym, I do something with friends, work out with friends together, plan it ahead. And then it's something what I also love to do 3 times a week. I do something like I want to eat 1 day complete low carb, or I want to, just another example, I don't want to eat any sugar. So 3 times a week. And that doesn't need to be a lot. You can start with 1 time a week. Let's say 1 time a week, I don't want to eat sugar. And it feels good. It feels easy. Most of the time I start with the first days where I say, okay, I don't eat any sugar. I want to start with Monday, that I can check it up. The same thing is, for example, when that's for me personally, 3 times I don't want to listen to bad news. So actually everything what is out there, when it is news, podcast, newspaper, I don't want to listen to it. And I want to do it for at least 3 times a week. So, and when I got it, for example, on a Wednesday, I check it. And for on a Friday, I check it up. So this is how I plan my week. And now the next thing is also very, very important. When you reached your goals, awesome. You can do whatever you wanted to do, but keep yourself accountable. So don't cheat on yourself. That means if you don't reach your main goal, then also say, okay, I don't get it. Because that motivates you next week even more to get it. Then, very important, at the end of the week on a Sunday, this week's wins. So write down what were your biggest wins. For example, you accomplished all your workouts, write it down. This is so important. Plan, do, and review. That gives you the confidence that you can actually reach your goals. And now on the other hand, which is also super important, how will I improve next week? As an example, you wanted to work out 3 times, but you just could work out 1 time. And then you couldn't work out. Now it is important to find the reason why you just work out 1 time. Was it because you were busy at work? Because you had to work longer? Was it because you were distracted with kids or family? Was it because you didn't have the energy? Write it down and then see how you can fix it. Is there someone who can take care of my kids while I'm working out? Is there a better time when I can work out? Find the solution. And guess what? Next week, try it again. Try it again. This is the beauty about having a planner. Plan, do, review. You plan your week, you do your week, and then you review your week. And next week you try to improve. And really often we don't need to do so many things at the same time. Start with small habits, with small skills. You won't see a difference in 1 month, but you will be surprised at the end of the year how you feel. So you might ask yourself, what does it have to do with motivation? So when you have a plan, you are automatically more motivated. At one point, I lost my calendar or my planner in the plane while I was going to Germany. I didn't have my planner for a couple of days, and I could tell my motivation got lost. In the morning when I was waking up, I had no plan what to do. So I was automatically sleeping longer. I was less motivated to get things done. It was such a big difference. I paid $60 to actually get my planner back and to reach my goals again. You can get the Fox Planner in many different colors. You can get them dated, undated. You can get them in a bigger planner. Sabrina had it last year and it was very big. It was a little bit too big for me, so I like it a little bit smaller, that size that I can always carry it with me. And Sabrina, for example, she got this year a black one, or for 2026, a black one, which also looks really good. Last year I had a similar blue one. And as you can see, I always put like stickers on it, and it is also full of notes and everything. So I highly encourage you, get yourself your own planner. Which color is your favorite? Do you like undated? Not undated, but get yourself a planner. It doesn't need to be a Fox planner. That's our favorite one, what we have been using now for, I guess, 5 years. And we get it every time again because we think that's really one of the best planners out there. We put a link in the show notes that you can get it as well. But like I said, you can also go to the next Hobby Lobby shop or like Walmart. They also have planners. Make sure you get one, and then I want to see you winning and seeing that 2026 is your best year ever. So see you soon.